What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2008 Harley-Davidson 1200 Sportster Custom. That's a great looking bike, tons of chrome front and rear rim. It does have this really weird film. You can see right there. It looks like someone had a sticker there. It's still kind of there, but you can see like the sun kind of got to the outer area. You can see like the fresh paint underneath. A huge deal. Got some stone chips around the rear fender there. It's a great first bike if you really want a Harley and it's your first bike and you're like, I gotta have a Harley. It's a great bike to buy. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that stuff. Got a little bit of rash on that lever. Must have scraped against something. All the chrome's in good shape though. Front chrome rim. It's all in good shape. Front fender, front tires in good shape. Got good tread on there. You got a stone chip right there on the side on the tank. So it looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's got the battery tender, obviously. Little tiny chip right there, if you can see that. No big deal. Seat's in good shape. Top of the tank's in great shape. Let's turn the key here. 4,416 miles on it. That fired up right away. It does have the extended controls on it, guys. Like I said, 2008. Harley-Davidson 1200 Sportster, guys. This bike's in great shape. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. This bike will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike as well as the Instagram page, Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching.